Hi everyone, John here again. Just a quick instruction of how to change two of the filters in the Hoover Action Pets vacuum cleaner. I haven't changed them for a while. I've ended up buying the filters for it. The first thing that you need to do is open up the main box. And just lift it up slightly so to make it a little bit easier to change. The first thing you do is just pull out the bag. As you can see here, there is two main filters. The first one that will change is this one here, which just pulls open, just like so. Just move it aside. And the second one here is this main one. There's a little lip there. It comes out. Turn around. Oh, yeah. I think that definitely needs to be a bit changed. It's getting a bit black. So we'll just get the new parts. Put this one in here again. You just press it down, make sure it's nice and flush. Now with this second one, well, I'm not too sure you can see on the camera, see how the lugs are out. Goes in the same way. And just gently press and click, make sure it's nice and firm in there. Yes, it is. And all you need to do now is just get the bag, place it back in, just two little slots, and all we need to do is just close everything down and then click. I hope you found this video useful. As always, have a great day and hope to hear from you soon. Bye for now.